guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this very natural, minimal and realistic makeup and hair for back to school, school going girls. This is very simple and you can do this makeup in just in 5 minutes. Yes, just only 5 minutes. You don't even need to spend your time, and I have done very natural, very simple and yeah, makeup look. And if you guys want to see how I get this look, then please, you have to watch my full video. Then please keep on watching, and for the delay, let's get to the video now. For the primer, I'm gonna use this Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. So don't mind my nails, guys. This primer is so affordable and works so good. If you are school going girl, college going girl, then this primer is budget friendly also. This is the very affordable primer I have ever used, guys. Now I'm gonna use foundation. You want school makeup look so natural, so natural, not like heavy makeup. So I'm gonna use this Fit Me 24-hour foundation from Maybelline, and this is my favorite foundation. And I'm gonna use one moisturizer, and I'm gonna mix both of them, and I'm gonna make like a tinted moisturizer. So yeah, that's it, moisturizer. And yes, just only 2 or 3, how much you need. And I'm gonna mix this two together. So look at this. This is the tinted moisturizer. You can use any of your moisturizer you have, and I'm gonna just apply all over my face. I'm gonna blend this with my brush, just like this. It gives you like very natural, very natural look. You can't even tell that I am wearing foundation, it looks so natural. So rest of this I am gonna use on my neck, on my neck and on my ear. Let's move on, and I am gonna use concealer. And for the concealer, I am gonna use this Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer, and I am in the Saint 20 Sand Sable. I would not recommend to use very lighter concealer for school makeup. So just use your own skin set concealer, so that it will not noticeable. And this concealer is affordable also, and here. Okay, that's it. And I'm gonna blend this with my beauty blender, and let's see. Look at this, it looks so natural. And to set this face, I'm gonna use this Studio Mac Fix Compact. I'm gonna take this small brush for my under eye area. Just use very less. And all over my face with this brush, big brush. So now I'm gonna do my brows. So for the brows, we are going to do very natural brows. So for that, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. And so as you guys can see, I'm just only touching this. So yeah, that's it, nothing crazy, nothing heavy. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. This is so affordable, and I am just gonna comb my brows with this to give a more natural look. And then I'm gonna use this bronzer. If you want to use bronzer, then go for it, or if you don't want to use bronzer, that's completely fine. So I am gonna use bronzer, just very less. So that's it. So now I'm gonna use this blush. For the blush, I'm using this Essence Matte Touch in the shade 60 Cheer Me Up. This one is so like like a natural, beautiful color. So I'm gonna use this one. The blush will give you like very natural look. Look at this. The color is so pretty, and just focus on this area, like your apple of cheek, and I'm gonna run this brush also on my nose. Using on your nose and this area, blush will give you very natural and younger look. So I love to do this, and it looks nice as well. And chin. And so now for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this Essence Glow to Go highlighter palette, and I am just barely gonna touch this because we don't want to like glowy, like blinding glow. So I'm gonna take this rose gold one, and I'm just gonna take with my finger, and so that will be fine. That's it. And so that's it. And nose, just a very little bit, and so yeah, that's it. And this blush brush, I'm gonna run this on my lid like this. It will give you like rosy and natural, like I like this. I like to do this because it looks so natural. So I think now I'm gonna curl my lashes, of course. So, and for the mascara, I'm gonna use this Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. And guys, this mascara is so good. I mean, this one is very affordable and works so good, so good. If you are like college going girl, school going girl, and if you are limited budget, then just buy this mascara. You won't regret, guys. This mascara is so good. And I am gonna use this mascara. Look at this. This mascara is so good. So yeah, look at this. You can see. There you go. And my lower lashes. So mascara is done. You can see my eyes looks good now. And now last but not least, it's lipstick. And not last, yes, lipstick. And for the lipstick, guys, I am gonna use, first I'm gonna use this my tinted lip balm, Miniso Magic Candy Moist and Glow. This will give you like very natural rosy color. It will gives you like natural pink lips. Just very less. And then I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. You can use any affordable lip gloss you have. I do have just only one lip gloss, and I just love this lip gloss, so I'm gonna use this one. So just a little bit. So I think I prefer like lip gloss over lipstick for natural school or college makeup, because you can just apply very easily and you don't even need mirror to apply this lip gloss. So yes, I think this is very convenient. So last but not least, makeup setting spray. I am gonna use this Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. This one is very affordable, and so pocket size as well. So I'm gonna use this. So yes guys, this is the final finished look, and I did very simple and realistic makeup and this here this one is like very simple. And let me know in the comment section below guys, what do you think about this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. Stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy guys. Bye.